Hello friends, welcome to third session of this chapter. Now, today we will continue from plains of the North India. You know, North Indian plains are related with the northern mountain range formed by alluvium as I discussed in the last class. And the alluvium is brought by the Himalayan peninsular rivers. Vast area of the northern India is related with this. That is why North Indian plains are very important, because these rivers only worldwide formed these rivers, vastness of these plains. It is worldwide very popular. It is most densely populated area of India. Some rivers name we have to put it down by looking from the map in the North Indians that I shall share with you. Some saltwater lake and sweetwater lakes are also situated. Majorly sweetwater lakes are there. Then comes Central and Deccan plateaus. Central, the middle part of India, and Deccan. Deccan means Dakshin. Dakshin means south. It is spread like a triangular shape. You can see the pink color triangular shapes are there, surrounded by water. So it is called a peninsular area. Dear children, keep it in mind, three sides water level called a peninsula, oldest land mass made up of rocks, rift valleys of Narmada and Shan rivers located in this plateau. This plateau is further divided into two parts. First one is Malwa and second one is Deccan to the south. The soil is not very fertile, but it is in black, so area is taking a variety of crops and treasure house of many minerals. Then comes coastal plains. You know friends, the coastline is approximately 7,570 kilometer long. So ocean lies the one side and coastal plains while peninsular plateaus lies on the other. The region lying to the eastern Ghats are known as Eastern Coastal Plain, well known for its fishing industry. Chennai, Pondicherry, Machilipatnam, Visakhapatnam is known as Vizag, well known for their ports location. Region lying to the western Ghat is known as Western Coastal Plain. It has a black fertile soil, alluvium deposit, and it is conducive in a growth of crops. The deposit of alluvium deposit is very important there in a Western Ghat. So major ports and cities are located in Mumbai, Kandala, Mangaluru, Calicut, Thiruvananthapuram in this region. Islands. From childhood onwards, friends, you know that about the islands. What is island and how it is formed. There we will discuss it in our next session. Till then, I remain. Thank you.